I got this feeling inside my brains. It goes electric wavy when I make them A's. All through 4th grade, all through my school, we're flying up no ceiling when we're in our zone. I've got that sunshine in my pocket, looking forward to a good day. I feel I can do everything when I try. I can't stop myself from learning, moving up academically. We'll unlock the way we rock it, so don't stop.
Hello everyone, I hope everybody's having a great day today. Today we're going to be doing part 2 of 4.7D, which is to draw angles, okay? Let's get started with our objectives. Students, objectives is, I will know how to identify angles on a protractor based on the degrees. I will understand how to use and set up a protractor correctly. And I will be able to share in a group discussion how to draw an angle with any given measure. Oops, sorry, made a mistake. That's okay, everyone makes mistakes. And let's go ahead and look at our steps on how to draw an angle, okay? Work with me, come on. There we go. Okay. Alrighty, so here are the steps on how to do that, and here it is in Spanish just in case you need it, okay? Step 1, draw a point at the center of the mark of the protractor, okay? So we are to draw a point, and do it in blue. Do it huge, okay, right there. Okay, let me know, there we go. Okay, step 1, draw a point at the center of the mark of the protractor. Point right there, okay? Ching. Step 2, draw a point at the 0 mark. Okay, so draw that right there. Okay. Step 3, let's say the problem says that an angle is given, an angle degree is given. Draw the angle, okay? So on the same scale, draw another point of the measure of the angle you are trying to draw. So let's say right here. Okay. So I did my dots. I did my points, okay? Sorry, my points. Point at the center of the mark, point at the 0 mark, and then point at the degree that they're giving me. Now, all I have to do is use a straight edge of the protractor, which is this right here, to trace a straight line from the vertex of the angle to each point you drew, okay? If you want your angle to take up less space, just erase part of the line. The length of the line does not change the measure of the angle, okay? So imagine this is my protractor, okay? And I'm using it to draw my lines, okay? So I'm using the straight edge right there. See that straight edge? And I go from the center of the mark to 0. And now I'm going from the center of the mark to here. Okay, and I measure that. Okay, I use the straight edge of the protractor. Okay, imagine it's a protractor. So that's what I used. Okay, and then what type of angle is this? We know it's 100 degrees. So if it's 100 degrees, what type of angle is this? Obtuse, yes, that is correct. Okay, good job. Let's go ahead and look at some practice. Okay, so let's look at the first one, okay? So the first one, so imagine this is the circle, okay, and it's a protractor. Okay, and we are using the handles as the rays to draw the number and it's the measurement of the degree. Okay, so for the first one they gave us 30 degrees. So what they did, okay, so they grabbed their protractor. Sorry if it's a little, we're just gonna zoom in just a little bit. Excellent. Okay, and I'm gonna just shrink this just a little bit. Okay, so let's see. So what they did was they first drew their little circle, okay, right there. Here's the 0 right there, and here was a 30, and they just connected the dots. And look at that. Amazing, okay? Alright, so let's go ahead and do that for the next one. Okay, so this one is 115, okay? So let's go ahead and line up the vertex. Work with me, please. Okay, right there. Oh, no, right there. Right there. Okay, excellent, right there, perfect. So step 1 is to put the vertex by the circle, so we did that. Okay, and put the 0 right, put a point by the 0, good. 115, okay, so 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 115 is like right here. Okay, so let me just move my protractor, and I'm gonna use the straight edge of the protractor to make a line. Okay, so here we go. So draw the line, perfect, and then draw another one. Excellent. Cool. So, what time is it? Okay, this one's a short one, so I'm just gonna erase a little bit of it. Okay, and remember the short one tells us the hour, okay? So it's gonna be 11:15. Awesome. Okay. Let's move on to the next one. So I'm gonna just bring my protractor down here. Okay, 9 degrees. Okay, so let me line up my protractor. Okay, cool. Awesome. Okay, so step 1, put my vertex where the, yeah, right there. Okay, then the 0 goes right there. Okay, and then 90 is up here. Awesome. Okay, so step 1, put the vertex with the center at mark. Put another point where the 0 is at, and then put another point with the degrees at. Okay, now use the straight edge of the protractor to trace the dots. Oh, almost fell. Okay. Awesome. Ooh, what type of angle is that? A right angle. Cool. Okay, and it's 12 o'clock. Awesome. Okay, go ahead and do the next one by yourself. Go ahead and do the next one by yourself. Let me just move this correctly. So it says 40 degrees. Okay, 40 degrees. Go ahead and use a protractor. Let me zoom in a little bit. Okay, and go ahead and see what you get. Okay, 40 degrees. Let me just move this over just a little bit. Show me the angle and what time it is. Okay. Alrighty, let's see what you got. So I hope you did all the points where it needs to go. Here, here, and here. Okay, now let me just move this out. And let me just... And it's an acute angle. And what time is it? $1:15. Excellent. Good job. So I hope that was a lot of good practice for you. That is it for part 2 of how to draw angles, okay? I'll be seeing everybody in our next video. Remember, every day your brain grows bigger because you're learning so much, okay? I hope you have a great day. Bye.